Hello guys, today I am going to show you how you can turn a used bottle into a flower vase. The making process is very simple. You will need a hot glue gun, acrylic color, coloring brush, sign pen and of course the bottle. Remove the label from the bottle and then draw your design on the bottle using the sign pen. Now carefully trace the design using the hot glue. This glue will act like a texture of your design when you color it, and it will absorb the color on the bottle surface. I am adding some fine details in the bottom section which will look like grass. Now I am coloring the flower and grass design using acrylic color with the help of a brush. Let's take some Christmas tree leaves. Now I am adding these leaves in the top portion. Our vase is complete. Let's add some leaves and flower on it. Here is the final result. That is all for today. Hope you have liked the video. If you like it, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my YouTube channel to get more videos. Take care. Tata.